ECOS is all about people. Because if we care about people, we want to do whatever we can to ensure that they get to go home.
That's wrong, that's wrong, that's wrong, that's wrong, that's wrong, that's wrong. It just jumps out at you. Think about the mindset that would have put you in if I'm going to go out and visit crews today, and my purpose is to go out and see how many good things I can see being done.
The terminals are not touching between the hot and the neutral, but I've created a circuit. That hot duct is hot.
Whoa! Because we destabilized, by trusting our assumptions, we destabilized our safety that day.
Yeah, pleasure to be here. I mean, I'm sitting in a tent where 61 other speakers so far have been here, now 2 a month. And what I've learned from listening to all these is some of the best information from the heart is coming out of this tent.
Because if that crew leader that you say is your best is not also your safest, you have a problem. In your heart, you need to be prepared to one day go look someone's wife and child in the eye and explain to them what happened.
If we don't get the right root cause of an incident, then we don't get the right solution, and we have not fixed the issue, and now we're going to have it happen again.
I'm not asking you to adopt some wildly imaginative new paradigm shift. I'm asking you to shift your mindset ever so slightly. And I believe that if you can do that, if we can do that together, we will make major gains.
We're going to have the best of the best safety trainers coming in, speaking, and they'll be available to use and their resources to help your utility, help your contractors, your line crews, and they're going to be great sources that you all can tap into. So we're trying to build a coalition of safety that's countrywide, and we'll go even further if that's where it's going to go, to where we're sharing. Too many incidences are taking place, and what's happening is these things are swept under the rug, and it's hush hush. We don't talk about it, but we're going to talk about it.